Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are back here at Cal State LA in Los Angeles, near downtown LA, like a quarter mile. So back in December 18, 2021, this elevator right here was old, and says it was been modernized. So when I passed here, like about 2 weeks later, it says it's modernized by Mitsubishi. Montgomery is the original elevator of this one. But now, today, it is January 22nd, 2022. I actually about to film this elevator that goes to Silver Line. I was about to film this elevator back in January 4th. But unfortunately, the elevator wasn't finished until January 10th. So, anyways, let's get started. I like this panel. See, it used to be old panels, and now new panel. The busway right here on these elevators are actually okay, so they're not modernized. Only this one at the Metrolink station. And here it is. That's weird. It says up. Alright, go down to 1. Door closed by door. I like that. That's interesting. Here we are, 1. Well, still going down. It's gonna open this doors. Okay. Here's the temporary permit. Metro own ID. This is actually Metrolink's. It doesn't say what elevator model it's in, but I think this see, look, it says Metro, but it says actually it's Metrolink. I think this elevator was built on let's see. Yeah, I cannot see the names on those titles, but I think that they're modernized by Mitsubishi or Kone. Who knows? Anyways, let's go to 2. Let's listen to this new motor, I guess. The fan is on, but oh well. Oh, over levels. That's interesting. Let's go down to 1. I want to hear this chime. Oh look, they kept the original old elevator plate. Okay, that's just weird. Anyway, let's go to 2. This side view. Now let me bring this elevator one more time. Yep. Weird. Supposed to be staying down. Weird install, I'll say. So what happens when I press door hold? I'm pressing. The elevator will stay. See, I press 1. When the door hold is there, oh, and it fails. Okay, that's just interesting. I'll send the elevator back up and listen to the motor outside. Does it cancel the call when I push it? No, it didn't. Alright. Watch this. Elevator machine's right there. I called us. There we go. This will be the end of the episode of this elevator. I like this new mod, but upstairs though they need to fix the indicator. It says up, but instead of going down. Please stay tuned for the other content for this network in the near future, ladies and gentlemen. This Metrolink platform was actually the line owned by San Bernardino line. Please stay tuned for the other content for this network in the near future. Normally I don't film elevators, but this one's modernized. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.